Data protection and disaster recovery are vital to every effective IT strategy. At Veeam, we know that protecting your data isn't always as straightforward as it may seem. That's why Veeam Support delivers simple, flexible, reliable solutions that keep data safe, secure, and recoverable. Veeam Support is your direct link to IT professionals like yourself, experts with years of experience, rather than someone simply following a script. Veeam partners can raise a ticket on a customer's behalf and bring Veeam Support expertise to bear on your issue. Our engineers are located across the world so that we can provide round-the-clock support in 10 different languages. We are proud of our best-in-class support offering, but we'll let the results speak for themselves. 80% of cases are successfully closed at first-level support. Every 5th ticket is resolved and closed within 60 seconds. Whatever issue you are facing, in whatever environment, they'll have the knowledge and understanding to make sure your data is safe and recoverable. Veeam has backup industry-first capabilities with world-class customer support, which is why hundreds of thousands of satisfied customers simply say, "Veeam, it just works." Visit Veeam Pro Partner Portal today or call Veeam direct to find out how our support team can help.